My name is Greg Roth and I'm a designer with Home Front Build here in Los Angeles. It's a space that's open and bright, so you walk in and there's just a great flow inside of the home. So we opened up a turret in the ceiling, as you can see, brings a really nice effect into the area. We have an old Moroccan lantern hanging in the center of the turret. In the evening, when they turn that lamp on, it sends this incredible array of light and shapes throughout the whole space. When we're working on these older homes, if we have to take out walls, we salvage the Douglas fir. You can't really get that straight grain so much anymore. We pull out the nails, and then we have incredible carpenters who are able to transform those pieces into cabinetry and countertops. My favorite part of this project is the wall tile. It electrifies the space. It makes it really vivacious because on their own, the wood and the plaster are beautiful, but the blue tile with its design really makes everything pop.